It's on you.
You can't wait for everything to be okay to live your life.
You can never lose faith.
You're not as far away from these dreams as you think you are.
It's time to get back to work.
I will never quit.
I'm going to win.
You can outwork anybody.
You should be a monster.
Don't blame any other person or any other thing.
Cowards do that, and that ain't you.
Fortify your mind and feel this level of happiness as you rise. That's how you grow.
Say to yourself, it's not over until I win. That's how winning is done.